Only enter in your email and password to log into this website. Come by to this website here and integrate it with the previous site as explained and demonstrated in this tutorial, and start bringing about hundreds of dollars in PayPal money over and over again. Before we go distant to this video, welcome to the Money Square, where we will introduce you the most up-to-date making money online concepts, tips and techniques, and don't neglect to subscribe to the channel and blow the like button and press the notification horn so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and lastly don't skip to leave a comment below. Now let's get around to the video. As you have just listened guys, today I have an extremely easy method to share with you. Only 2 platforms involved. Regardless, even though it's moderately easy, if you attempt and do the work yourselves, I guarantee you that you won't be able to make this work, particularly since we will not be using the first platform in a way greatest of you would believe. So please, keep watching, so this positively works for you and you don't just destroy your time. Anyways, that very foremost site I told you about in the opening is this one right here called Coinbase.com. For those of you who have never listened of this website, let me clarify to you what this website is all about. Coinbase, as the name somewhat doubtly indicates, is a marketplace where you can trade and sell cryptocurrency. As is said right here, Coinbase is the simplest location to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Sign up and get turned on today. So practically you can come here and, for example, sell your Bitcoin, sell your Ethereum, Litecoin, all of those cryptocurrencies in exchange for cash, of course. But what you can also do as well is exchange the actual cryptocurrencies. So you can switch Bitcoin for Ethereum, for example, and vice versa. Presently, let's make this crystal clear right away. You will not be marketing any cryptocurrency, of course. If you are into crypto and you have brought about some, then this is the excellent website for you. You can come on here and sell it for money or other cryptocurrencies. Making money with crypto is clearly legit and worthwhile, don't get me wrong. But 99% of you watching this have never reaped involved with crypto, which is why in this tutorial I will demonstrate you how you can use Coinbase in an entirely distinct way to certainly get paid, one that involves no crypto whatever. By the way, this is why I announced before it's so significant you keep watching and not just go to the website. I demonstrate you and try to figure it out on your own. Now, since we won't be exchanging any crypto on here, it's really no use I go over the website's features. If you are attracted in cryptocurrency, then you can feel independent and take a look at Coinbase here, but I will not do that. I will get right to the point. Rather, what you require to do when you first come onto Coinbase is you want to scroll all the way to the extremely bottom of the page, and you wanna now find and click on affiliates right over here. This is because we will wanna promote this platform as an affiliate undoubtedly, and as you will soon see, Coinbase is an amazing platform to promote as an affiliate. They offer some extraordinary components to their affiliates. For starters, check this out here. When you refer a new customer to Coinbase, you'll earn 50% of their fees for the first 3 months. In essence, you will earn 50% commissions for the first 3 months. If you go over to Google, you will be able to detect that average commissions range from 5 to 30% maximum. So as you can see, Coinbase here will pay you like much more than largest other websites. And it's not just because of the commissions. It's because of who the people you have referred are. They are attracted in crypto obviously, and there are people who are on a typical basis investing thousands, and occasionally even hundreds of thousands of dollars into Coinbase. Just visualize how much money you can make since you get 50% commissions for the first 3 months. The possible to get paid big time is enormous, and it will increase even further thanks to the traffic sources I have to share with you in this tutorial. Now, another element that is very much worth mentioning that is quite important for us as affiliates is that more and more people every single day are getting involved with cryptocurrency. Whether they are digging it, investing it in a specific one or whatever, more people are getting interested in crypto, which implies that more people would need Coinbase. That in turn means that you as an affiliate can make a bunch better money. than if you were promoting some website that, say, most people have already listened about before. For those wondering, you can see how they will pay you right here, through PayPal as guaranteed, but distant from that you can likewise get paid directly to your bank account, which is tremendous to say the least. Likewise, if you go back to the home page here, you will be able to observe that Coinbase functions in over 100 countries, so for those wondering, it most undoubtedly does work all over the globe. Yet another tremendous feature of this platform. To summarize, Coinbase is not your typical website you are promoting as an affiliate. People who are using it are sometimes investing big cash into crypto, and integrate that with the huge commissions, and you can already see that you can earn some insane money here. And since more people are getting implicated with crypto daily, that indicates you will have better people to refer to this website, further supporting the possible amount of money you can make. And lastly, this works all over the planet. To sign up to the affiliate program, what you require to do is click Become an Affiliate here, then continue to enter in a ton of your data like your full name, email address, password, all that stuff. Once you sign up, you'll just have to stay like a pair of hours before you get authorized, and when that happens you will be able to earn your special affiliate link. When somebody clicks on it, they will be referred to Coinbase and turn on trading crypto, and you in turn will also begin making money as well. Now that you have signed up to the affiliate protocol and gotten your link, the only thing missing is the traffic. And the very first procedure you can use to get traffic to your link is through the help of Facebook groups, and here's what you expect to do. First off, type in something like crypto or cryptocurrency in the search bar here and choose groups down below, and Facebook will now show you all of these groups, where people communicate of cryptocurrency on a daily basis. And what you now don't want to do is leave a post in some of them. This is because the bulk of the members in the group would have listened of Coinbase obviously, but what you want to look for instead are new members. So each and every time someone joins the group, you can first off contact them and talk to them about crypto, and then send them your affiliate link to Coinbase and tell them that if they require a place to trade and purchase crypto, this is absolutely where they will need to look. You will do so distant as many of these groups as you possibly can. If you join like 10 of them, and even if the individual groups get like only 10 new members on a daily basis, that would still amount to 100 people you can contact, and only a handful like 2 or 3. Signing up to Coinbase would be huge for you and would earn you thousands of dollars in real passive income. Obviously, this is rather difficult and somewhat disturbing work you will have to do, since you cannot leave a post that multiple people will see. But you wanna contact distinctive people, so the money, even though it's quite a bit of money, is simply put, not made in inactive income, but nevertheless in this technique, you can still make some healthy money online. However, what if you don't wanna do any work? What if you just wanna set this up on autopilot? Well, I got you decorated using this platform here, also the platform that I have shown you in the intro, and you can get your affiliate link in front of actually millions of people. As you can see, over 500 million buyers, with just the click of a button, with no skills or experience. It's that easy. Those people will not only have the money to spend, but will literally be interested in Coinbase, since, as I announced prior, more and more people are getting comprised with cryptocurrency nowadays. In straightforward, you will be able to make a lot of money adopting this tool to get traffic, and most greatly made in inactive and passive income as nicely, because as I announced right here, you get all the traffic you will ever require with no effort incorporated. With that announced though, this is not a free software. You do unfortunately have to pay for it, but since I got you guys a tremendous deal, and you can snatch this for less than 20 bucks, I highly suggest you at least give it a try, particularly since it offers a 100-day long money-back warranty, so you basically aren't even risking your cash. If you give this a try, and you have so much more money to potentially make. In case you are unstable about this software, then feel free to use Facebook. You'll be able to make a ton of money from Coinbase nonetheless. If you're exploring ways to produce money online, and that's it. If you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, Please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. If you have additional questions, please feel independent to comment down below. See you in the successive video.